For some vehicles, you will need a scan tool to put the car in maintenance mode, but for this vehicle, you will not need a scan tool. So I have a 2017 Mazda CX-5, and I will be showing you how to put the rear brakes into maintenance mode. Now, you will only need this when you're going to replace the rear brake pads. I'm going to show you how to do this. So first, you set the ignition key on. To do this, you press the start button twice. So that will light up everything here. So now basically what you want to do is hold down the electric parking brake. Hold this down. Hold down the gas pedal all the way. Turn the key back off and turn it back on. You will actually hear the rear calipers activating. This light will remain on. This means that you are now in maintenance mode for the rear brakes. So once you perform your brake change, you do the same thing in reverse. Key on, button up, hold down the accelerator, key off, key back on. You should hear it again. And now you're off brake maintenance mode. It's that simple. Thank you.